Hicked fraud involving redundant, not needed Gaby Simpleton rights privilege infi berakt manifest generosity pacified context resentment displeasure judicious sagacious conscience agreement overtures offer pretense accuse incontrovertible unquestionable awkward embarrassed latency stealing announces harmless somnolence sleepiness rectify correct neck skill Crichton standard pester disturb headway progress exhilarating lively drowsy sluggish termines last point unequally subordinate obscure excessively respectful finish tact stock privates nabbed caught relate recount slates detectives endeavor effort mitigate lesson adverse appoint vivid clear blemish fault expeditious promote husband manage brevity consciousness intercepted stopped transparent lucid allied relieved feud quarrel copiously plentiful colors unfeeling euphoria pleasant excitement kindled provoke reckless race nerve audacity despicable contemptible wants needs renoved noted testimonial credentials tour official visit gregarious sociable sycophants flatters founded capacity oppressive unbearable student vociferous practice habit culpable guilty different unassuming eventually ultimately frugal economical craven quarterly an identiment bond a security bond brook tolerate reflection picture sustain continue tell distinguish gleaned gathered obscure went berserk became control revealed sea change complete change gamut range ignominy dishonor authentic establish the genius of nettled annoyed dis- disinterest unbased indiscriminate disparate third dismissed venerated respected penetration traveling loginsing suffering com- conflict hide imbig drinking uncouth ungracious abstemious moderate placate pacify graces charms ascertains determine vindicate judgment pigment show delightful charming obdurate adamant kill you hint reasonable, sensitive, overruled, disallowed. Attribute, impute, compliant, yielding, abominable, detestable, tedious, sycophants, abominate, detest, docile, easily managed, cherish, hold dear, fabricated, forced, relish, enjoy, abject, rest, fated, stinking, cautiously, carefully, treat, heckled, floated, presented, decimated, destroyed, pandemonium, disorderly skin, sound, cautions, ostracized, shut out from society, resilience, elasticity, defection, distortion, tremulous, trembling, judicious, cautions, commonly, commonly, pretty, rear, back, incorrigible, bad, winded, correction, erudite, scholarly, drastically, greatly, perspicacious, discerning, boulder, leopard, avenue, account, report, subvert, overthrow, conscientious, sincere, outstated, expelled, illicit, unlawful, invoy, weariness, autonomous, self-governed, resentment, displeasure, gratify, satisfying, drift, move aimlessly, fanaticism, unreasoning enthusiasm, subversion, distractions, prerogative, privilege, cursory, hurried, curtail, certain, surrogate, substitute, effect, influenced, obsolescent, out of date, maiden, first, inherent, natural, retentionous, meeting, palace, lucid, clear, grain, nature, dilapidated, crumbling, sane, rational, interim, provisional, urban, civil, verdant, fresh, nimble, quickening, welter, confusion, eerie, staunch, vulpine, crafty, abortive, futile, reliable, dependable, inevitable, unavoidable, tent, contempt, fastidious, flippancy, chagrined, disappointed, igneous, clever, vandalism, violence, cuff, slap, preposterous, absurd, indication, a hint, flaunt, show off, pusillanimous, cowardly, cultivate, foster, licentious, libertine, salutary, beneficial, merit, deserves, sententious, meaningful, gorgeous, splendid, draught, drink, deluding, misleading, furor, uproar, insurmountable, too difficult to overcome, corollary, deduction, maunder, bounder, adequate, sufficient, garrulous, talk a lot, ruminate, ponder, ephemeral, transient, transitory, fleeting, elusive, clever, rescinded, revoke, ascommoded, yielding, slump, fall, informant, surroundings, why, compete, amnesty, generous, pardon, tempest, violent storm, dabbling, participating.